What are the common mistakes that can make a cake become hard?
Hello there, aspiring bakers. Today, we're tackling a common baking dilemma. Why does my cake turn out hard? Often, it's the small missteps that can turn your fluffy dream into a hard reality. But don't worry, we're going to highlight these pitfalls and show you how to avoid them.
Is your oven too hot?
The first common mistake that could be hardening your cake is incorrect oven temperature. If your oven is too hot, it can cause the outside of the cake to cook too quickly, while the inside is still raw. Once the interior does cook, the exterior becomes hard and dry. Always preheat your oven and consider investing in an oven thermometer to ensure accurate temperatures.
Are you overmixing your batter?
Another common culprit is overmixing the batter. When you mix cake batter, you're developing the gluten in the flour. Overmixing can result in too much gluten development, making your cake tough instead of tender. Mix just until the ingredients are combined for the fluffiest results.
Did you measure correctly?
Baking is a science. The measurements need to be accurate for the chemistry to work. Using too much flour or not enough fat, butter or oil, can result in a dry, hard cake. Always use the right measuring tools for dry and liquid ingredients.
Are you baking for too long?
Just like an oven that's too hot, baking your cake for too long can also lead to a hard, dry outcome. It's important to start checking your cake for doneness a few minutes before the recipe suggests. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out with a few moist crumbs on it, not completely dry. And that wraps up our guide on the common mistakes that could be hardening your cake. Remember, baking is a practice of precision and patience. Keep an eye on your oven temperature, be gentle with your batter, measure correctly and mind the baking time. Happy baking, and here's to soft, fluffy cakes in your future.